Stretching across the Yangtze River is one of the most ambitious engineering projects in human history. The Three Gorges Dam transformed an entire river system on a scale few structures have ever achieved. But building the Three Gorges Dam required far more than concrete and machinery. Before construction could begin, engineers first had to understand the hidden geology of the Yangtze River and the forces shaping the valley. In the years that followed, millions of tons of rock were excavated, massive concrete structures rose from the riverbed, and giant power generation systems took shape. To see how this transformation began, we must return to the very start of the project. Before construction begins, engineers must map the hidden landscape beneath the Yangtze River for the future Three Gorges Dam. Advanced sonar systems transform the unknown depths of the Yangtze into a precise digital foundation model. Deep drilling operations verify whether the granite beneath Xiling Gorge can support the future Three Gorges Dam. Survey data, geological samples, and GPS networks establish the exact axis of the Three Gorges Dam project. To build the Three Gorges Dam, engineers must first force the Yangtze River away from its natural course. Massive rock dikes advance into the river, gradually restricting the original flow channel. As the diversion structures expand, water is redirected toward a newly engineered bypass channel. The successful diversion creates the protected work zone needed for the next stage of the Three Gorges Dam. To build the Three Gorges Dam, engineers must first isolate the Yangtze River from the future construction site.
We are clear on the left.
Deep steel barriers and underground cutoff walls prevent water from re-entering the protected basin. As the cofferdam system expands, powerful pumps begin removing millions of liters of trapped river water. With the basin fully enclosed and drained, the foundation zone of the Three Gorges Dam is finally exposed.
The joints here look secure, but check the seepage rate at pylon 4.
Confirmed. The levels are stable. We can proceed.
A wide engineering panorama reveals the fully enclosed and dewatered foundation basin, isolated from the Yangtze River, establishing the protected workspace.
Before the dam can rise, engineers must excavate deep beneath the Yangtze River to reach stable granite bedrock. Powerful drilling, blasting, and excavation systems remove weak rock layers and expose the future foundation of the Three Gorges Dam. Every section of weathered rock must be removed to create a foundation capable of supporting immense structural loads.
Heads up, blasting this loose. Okay, hit it with the air hose. Looks good for inspection now.
The excavation phase ends only when clean, unweathered granite is fully exposed across the future dam footprint. To guarantee long-term stability, engineers begin sealing and strengthening the granite beneath the Three Gorges Dam. High-pressure grout injection systems force cement slurry deep into hidden fractures throughout the foundation zone.
We're approaching the contact zone on the lower level.
Okay, maintain pressure, watch for returns.
Continuous monitoring verifies that the grout curtain forms a complete underground barrier against future water seepage.
As you can see here, the grout penetration is excellent at this depth.
Yes, the compressive strength data on the tablet confirms the stabilization program is highly effective.
Keep the pressure steady at 500.
Copy that. Increasing flow now.
Hose is clear on this end.
This massive foundation treatment protects the dam from hydraulic uplift forces generated by the Yangtze River. With the foundation secured, construction finally advances into the mass concrete phase of the project. Cableway cranes and batching plants deliver continuous flows of low-heat concrete across the gorge.
Move the vibrator slowly to the left. We need maximum density right here. Okay, I'm moving it now.
Embedded cooling systems regulate internal temperatures as each concrete monolith cures and gains strength. Layer by layer, the Three Gorges Dam begins rising above the Yangtze River as one of the largest structures ever built. Managing the immense flow of the Yangtze River requires a spillway system capable of safely releasing extreme flood volumes. Massive concrete spillways are shaped with extraordinary precision to withstand decades of high-velocity water flow. Every surface is carefully finished and inspected to prevent cavitation damage during major flood events.
We are approaching the cutoff point. Understood. Prepare to retract the boom.
At the base of the spillways, giant flip buckets redirect the discharge safely away from the dam foundation. Beneath the main dam structure, massive powerhouse halls begin to emerge along the banks of the Yangtze River. Heavy cranes and structural systems assemble the enormous industrial spaces that will house future generating equipment. As the powerhouse structures expand, penstock passages and generator halls are integrated into the growing complex. These massive reinforced structures prepare the foundation for one of the largest hydroelectric facilities ever constructed. At the heart of the project, giant Francis turbine runners are manufactured to convert the power of the Yangtze River into electricity. Advanced machining systems shape each turbine component to extremely tight engineering tolerances. Transporting these multi-hundred-ton runners requires specialized heavy haul systems operating across land and water.
Hold the line, slowly lower. Copy that. Watch the starboard side.
Their arrival at the Three Gorges Dam marks the beginning of the final hydroelectric equipment installation phase. Inside the powerhouse, installation begins on the massive turbine units that will convert the power of the Yangtze River into electricity. Heavy gantry cranes lower multi-hundred-ton Francis runners into their permanent operating positions.
Slow descent, very steady now. Okay, we are aligned. Lock it in.
Precision alignment systems ensure every rotating component operates within extremely tight engineering tolerances.
Look at the deviation plot on the trailing edge.
I see it. The concentricity is spot on.
The completed turbine assembly forms the mechanical heart of the Three Gorges Dam power station. Above the turbine halls, installation shifts to the giant generators that will transform mechanical energy into electrical power.
Everything aligned here. Did the insulation test pass on your end?
Yes, the readings are solid. We are clear for sign-off.
Massive rotors and stators are assembled with extraordinary precision inside the powerhouse complex. Once connected to the turbine shaft, each generator becomes part of one of the world's largest hydroelectric systems. The integrated turbine and generator units prepare the project for full operational commissioning. As construction nears completion, engineers begin the controlled impoundment of the Yangtze River. Massive hydraulic gates close the diversion channels that carried the river throughout construction. The reservoir gradually rises behind the Three Gorges Dam as monitoring systems track structural performance.
Levels are stable at 185 meters. No anomalies detected in the load sensors.
Field readings match the telemetry data.
For the first time, the completed dam begins controlling the full power of the Yangtze River. With construction complete, the Three Gorges Dam enters its first operational testing phase. Generator units synchronize with China's electrical grid as the hydroelectric system begins producing power. Massive transformers and transmission systems distribute electricity generated from the flow of the Yangtze River. For the first time, the completed project delivers large-scale power across the national network. Beyond power generation, the Three Gorges Dam serves as one of China's most important flood control systems. During extreme seasonal flows, massive spillway gates regulate enormous volumes of water moving through the Yangtze River basin. Engineered discharge structures safely dissipate hydraulic energy while protecting the dam foundation and downstream communities.
第三间门的下游流量略有增加，调整出水量，增样5G 方米。
The successful flood release demonstrates the full operational capability of the completed project. Long after construction ends, continuous monitoring systems protect the structural integrity of the Three Gorges Dam. Laser sensors, inspection robots, and fiber optic networks track the condition of critical infrastructure in real time. Sediment management systems help preserve reservoir capacity and maintain long-term hydraulic performance. Decades after completion, the Three Gorges Dam continues operating as one of the largest hydroelectric facilities ever built. From a powerful and unpredictable river to one of the largest hydraulic systems ever built, the Three Gorges Dam transformed the Yangtze River through engineering precision, hydroelectric generation, flood control, and water management. Decades after construction, the project continues generating renewable electricity, regulating seasonal floods, supporting navigation, and supplying critical infrastructure across China. More than a dam, it remains one of the most ambitious engineering achievements ever completed, demonstrating the lasting impact of modern mega infrastructure.
NextGen Machine Works, building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.